Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to take a quick look at the Fedora Astronomy lab. So let us start. Input your password. This is the login screen. So they are using the KDE desktop. This is the login screen of KDE desktop. Let us start. Input your secret password. So this is the default KDE splash screen. So in the latest KDE desktop releases, they have included this welcome center. So just like the GNOME desktop, the KDE desktop also has a welcome center, the welcome screen. So it will show us some information regarding the KDE desktop. So you can switch on certain features like vaults. So vaults are nothing but secret folders where you can store your files. Then you can configure your KDE Connect. You can get new stuff. That is the system add-ons you can add from here directly. You can search for anything using the KRunner. This is the activities tool. So you can separate work, school or home task and overview. So now what we will do is we will not focus on this. Instead, we will focus on the astronomy application packages. And you can directly click here, open Discover and install many of the applications. You can share usage information according to the levels given here. So you can select any of the levels. So this is all I am not going in much details. That's it. Now this is a typical KDE desktop from Fedora. You can see the Fedora logo here. The panel is at the bottom. Now we will click on the application launcher and we will directly go to the astronomy section. So Ginga is the astronomical FITS file viewer. So FITS is a we can say certain kind of file used in astronomy. So if you have any FITS file, you can open it using Ginga. Then IndiGUI, let us click on IndiGUI. So require the Indy server localhost disconnected. So you require to connect with this server. So the configuration is needed, otherwise it won't install. So IndiGUI, you can find it out from the Fedora website. So in the introduction to Fedora Astronomy Lab, I have shown you this what is Indy game, Indy application. So you can check it out from there. Indy starter, let us see. Okay, so this is the Indy server. Yes, so you have to first set the server. So let us click on the server. So you have to configure your binaries path, server options, login file path, everything. You have to add driver. So all this you have to do configuration. So it will be a very long process. It will require multiple videos to cover this. So you have to start no driver configured. Then you have to select the driver. So you have to select the weather simulator. Lot many things are there. Optics. You have to select the drivers for say telescopes also. So all these things, it is very complicated, highly technical. So even I don't have much information, but it is there. So any astronomer watching our video, he will get the clue as to what the Fedora Astronomy Lab is capable of. So I'm just trying to take your attention to this Fedora Astronomy Lab. So it will be very good for budding astronomers and even professional astronomers. Then K-stars we have seen earlier in, I think, Debian we have seen. So this is the K-stars application. So you can watch the different constellations seen in the sky on your screen, and you can also have information. So you can select any location on the world map, and it will show the sky above that location at the moment. So at this moment, say it is showing the sky above Greenwich, United Kingdom. So you can just change anywhere. You can go, say for example, you can select the Denmark sky. So it will just change. So let us click on this. So download extra data files. Let us, so it is failing, but it should work. So you have to download the file. So download extra data files. So it will be regarding this star maps, and everything will be downloaded, and then it will be installed. You may have to restart your system, and then you can start using this application. So here you can see the sky above the Greenwich, United Kingdom. You can see Jupiter, Arcturus is there, Sun is there, Venus, Mercury. So as usual, Venus and Mercury are always near the Sun, somewhere near the Sun. Jupiter can be anywhere. Then Sirius is there, so it is very bright star. Rigel is there. Rigel is very big star, much bigger than our Sun. So all this that is available, and you can just rotate this. This is nothing but a globe. You can rotate it, and the direction is also shown. So in the west sky of Greenwich, you can see Jupiter in the west sky. In the mid, Sun, Venus and Mercury are there. In the east, Arcturus is rising. This is the south direction. So north will be there, somewhere up there, and this is the west direction. So that's it, and you can record your data. You can see here. You can save the sky image. You can open any image sent by some other astronomer here. You can set the time. You can set this map to point to zenith, north, east, south, west. Any way you like. You can also set the coordinates manually. You can also engage tracking of particular heavenly body. Tools are there, calculator, devices are there. So you can list your equipment. You can add your equipment to this your Linux system or the Fedora Astronomy lab. You can connect your astronomical equipment. You can download the data from that astronomical equipment. You can show it here. Then you can check out the solar system. So here you can see the current position of planets in the solar system. We service Earth. So where is Earth? Earth is here. So Jupiter, planet, everything is given. Saturn is here. Neptune is just here in the straight, almost a straight line. Uranus is ahead. Venus is on the other side of the Sun. You can see Mars is in front of Earth. That is in between Sun and Earth. And Mercury is also here. Green dot, you can see that is Mercury. So this keeps on changing as the planets rotate. Then there are some certain settings are there. So you have to use these settings. You can change the theme, status bar, color themes, FOV symbols, artificial or horizon. You can manage the observer, any geographic. Let us click on this. Okay, so yes, so this is the geographic location setter. You can configure K-star. There is a startup wizard, so you can use that to configure the K-star. And you can download new data. You can manage the DSO data catalogs. You can update the comets, orbital elements. Maybe they are syncing with some astronomical laboratory data. So data regarding the comets, asteroids, satellites, and the recent supernova data also. Here you can see when I click to sync the supernova data, so the data is coming up. So what is this? You can see, you can just zoom and it will show you stars. So this red, I think is stars. You can see the Spica is there. So Spica is a star in Librae constellation. Okay, so in Western astrology, it is in Virgin. Is it? Maybe it is Virgo or I don't Virgo or Libra. I think in Indian astrology, it is in Libra, Spica star. Okay, and opposite to Spica, 180 degrees opposite, that is the start of the this first constellation of the start of the zodiac from Spica. So as per Indian astrology, 180 degrees from Spica is the start of the zodiac. So this is it, and there are some symbolic tool. These icons are available. So that's it. Now what we will do is we will check other applications. So in education, yes. So this is the GNU Octave. So it is for the numerical computations. Now let us go. Okay. How to do the computations and everything, we will require a separate video. But if you want to do some mathematical computations, so you can start using this application tool. You have to go read the documentation. You have to install the requisite Octave packages and all those things. So maybe some later on video we will do that. Not now. IndyStarter, Indigo we have seen. Jupyter Notebook. So we have checked that earlier. I will just go in short regarding Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So it is some terminal only. Extension page Jupyter. Okay. Access. I think one of the videos in this Edu ISOs, I think it was Debian or Ubuntu, we have done this. So opening the Jupyter application, it will take some time, so we can click something else meantime. Yes, KST2 is the data viewer for the KStars application. So you can view the data files using this KST application. Data viewing program. Most probably it is for the KStars application. Then you have got LibreOffice Math. Sky Viewer is there. Let us click on the Sky Viewer. So this is the Jupyter Notebook. So what is Jupyter Notebook? Everything I have covered in one of the earlier videos. So you can check that. I will not go in much detail. So Sky Viewer is there. So you can create new files, reload old file. You can take a snapshot. You can also project this sky. That is a 3D sphere. Then the sky map is there. So this is all for astronomers. Further, what is there? Stellarium we have seen. I will just show in short Stellarium. So this is also sky viewing. So you can view the sky that is visible at any point of the earth. So any point you take on the earth, the sky at that moment that is visible on the on that point will be shown here. Say if I choose New Delhi, then the sky above New Delhi will be shown here. So that's it. Similar to KStars application. Then so what is W Maxima? So this is some new application. Okay. So it is a mathematical tool. So it is a graphical user interface for computer algebra system Maxima based on the WX widgets. That's great. So you can use it for algebra. So you can plot your equations. You can plot 2D, 3D. You can also do plot format. You can do calculus, create matrices. You can solve equations, maxima, minima, all those kind of things you can do using this application. That's it. So KStars is still loading up, so we can go ahead meanwhile. Okay, so education and astronomy packages are covered. Now let us see if any extra applications are there. So diagram is we have seen. This is all seen, everything is there. What is Xfix drawing application? So that is new. Okay, so you can use this to plot or do diagrams. You can create your scientific diagrams or any diagrams, school diagrams using this application. It is just like what we saw here. Just I will tell you. Yes, just like the diagram editor. So similar it is. So nothing new. Then what we will do is and page. Okay, Office. So I think that's it. These are all the applications that are available in your Fedora Astronomy lab. Let us wait for the Stellarium to open up. It is taking some time. Maybe it is syncing with the server and downloading some data. Meanwhile, there is some update to the Fedora Astronomy lab. Let us check out. Let us see what the updates are. So be assured, since you are using Fedora, updates will be regular and every 7-8 months you will get a new version. Let us see the updates that are going to get downloaded. We will not do the download updation right now because I have shown you everything, all Linux distributions, how to download updates, install updates, do the upgrades, everything I have shown you in the video. Everything is there in the playlist. You open the distro, in that distro playlist, different kinds of installers, everything is covered. So all Linux distributions have something different in their installers, something different how to update and upgrade them. So everything we have covered. So you can see a very big upgrade has come. So around 1300 4 packages are to be upgraded. 6.7 GB is there. So it is update from the Fedora Linux 40. So already Fedora Linux 40 is there. So I think a very big update has been rolled out for the KDE Plasma. So here you can see the different application packages that is going to get upgraded. I will just quickly scroll through it so you will get an idea. So it is Fedora Astronomy Labs is well maintained by the developers of Fedora. So you need not worry. You will get the latest application and system packages available as and when they are released. Okay, so let us see. So it is taking quite bit of time to open up. You can open up in a separate window. Let us see. I've shown you Stellarium in all the education ISOs of Ubuntu, Zorin also and Debian also, I think. So I need not go in detail. You have already seen it. You can refer earlier videos if you want to check out the details. So any specific wallpapers are there? Let us see if wallpapers are there. So while Stellarium is opening up, we can check out the wallpapers. If they have included some astronomy wallpapers, special astronomy wallpapers. I don't think they are included. It's all pretty standard KDE wallpapers only are there. And this Fedora wallpaper is there. So nothing to view, I think. Or we click the add button. Let us see. We go to users, then we go to share. So there will be wallpaper folder with wallpaper. Yes, it is there. Let us see. Yes, lot many wallpapers are available. Okay, so we will go with not share wallpapers. Then we will go with okay. So I think all the default wallpaper is available in different resolution. So let us select the highest one. Yes, this is the highest one. Yes. Let us see. Applied. So that's the highest resolution wallpaper is applied. So not much to select from here in the wallpapers. So Stellarium is still opening up. So what we do is we will terminate. Yes, cancel. Now we will try to open it again. So maybe there was some issue. Okay, education Stellarium. This time it should open up properly. Let us see. So this Stellarium is taking too long to start up. So we will now close the video here. In some other video, in some other Linux distribution, I will show you the Stellarium again. If you want to see in detail, you can check out some of our earlier videos. I think in the education or some distro I have shown you. I think it was Ubuntu or Debian Astronomy I have shown. So there it was there. So you can check those videos, or I think it was in Zurin also education it was there. So you can check that out. So I will now stop the video here. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.